Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
In this video, we'll discuss customizing the EdgeProX menu toolbar. The EdgeProX menu toolbar allows users to access key functionalities directly from the toolbar. Traders can personalize their charts by adding specific tools and features that are most relevant to their trading strategies from the menu toolbar. To customize this toolbar, simply select Configure, Preferences, then select Toolbar. Then choose which toolbar you'd like to select. Then select an action and then select the right arrow to add it to your toolbar. To remove an action from your toolbar, simply select it and hit the back button. To change where an item shows up in your toolbar, select the item and then hit the up arrows and down arrows. Hit Apply and then OK.